This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, April 29th. Stock index futures advancing to new record highs, at least in the S&P 500. This after a dovish statement from the Federal Open Market Committee meeting yesterday. Also, we have prospects of as much as a $1.8 trillion new government spending program, also supporting stock index futures. Most reports coming in better than expected this morning. We did have the jobless claims at 553,000 when 558,000 were expected. But the pending home sales, a little bit of a disappointment, up 1.9%. The guess was for up 3.8%, and that did cause futures to come off the highs a little bit. Either way, stock index futures, I believe, are well supported by the fundamentals, and longer term higher prices are likely. In the currencies, the dollar index falling to a 9-week low. Much of this linked to the dovish on balance statement from the Fed yesterday. And also we have the euro currency a little bit higher on reports that consumer prices increased in April in Germany and increased more than anticipated. Interest rate futures markets under pressure at the long end of the curve, especially the 30-year Treasury bond futures. But overall, the bonds seem to be holding up relatively well. Also, bearish news is not taking the bond market to new lows, so there seems to be a somewhat fairly good performance in the 30-year Treasury bond futures for the news. Also in the precious metals, they were higher in the overnight trade, under some pressure more recently, but I do think that the dovish statement from the Fed and inflationary prospects that seem to be increasing to one degree or another will remain supportive, and any breaks in gold and silver should be used as buying opportunities. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.